ClubExpress, launching your website. Once you've finished building your website and are ready to launch, we'll help you complete the last steps before you go live and launch your new website. You'll provide us with your membership database and your non-member contacts using our member template. When we upload your members, they'll have a special status in your member database. They won't be able to sign in or receive any notifications until we've activated them. Once we've completed the upload, you'll check your records for accuracy and make any changes necessary. You'll set up your merchant account so you can accept credit card payments on your website right away. And when you're ready, we'll complete the last steps in the final 24 hours before going live. Redirect your internet domain, activate your member database, and send a welcome email to your members. Let's take a look at the templates you'll use to send us your member database and your non-member contacts if you have any. Navigate to help.clubexpress.com and click on Getting Started. Under the section Launching Your Website, find the article Bulk Loading Member Data. You can add your data to the template or modify your dataset to match the template. The template includes both required and optional basic data fields, with the option to add additional fields depending on the data you want to import. For example, you might include work information, languages spoken, or committee membership. Take time to read through your options before downloading and using the template. When you send us your data, we'll confirm it's in the right format, then we'll load your member data. Once we load your data, it's time to check it out. To see your imported member data, navigate to the Control Panel, People tab, People Manager. In the Search panel, you'll search for members with a status of bulk loaded. Click the edit or pencil icon to access the member's profile, where you can view contact information, additional data you've added, and even view additional members in group memberships. We don't expect you to review each member's record, but you should check several records for accuracy. If you also collect non-member contact data, for example, mailing lists from a local shop, or from a similar organization in your community, we'll perform your first import for you. Back in our Help Center, find the non-member database template. Add your data or modify your existing dataset to match the template. Be sure to follow the instructions in our online help system. When you're finished, we'll upload the data. You can see your imported non-member data in the People Manager. Search for non-member records instead of member records and choose the edit icon to view their contact information. In the future, you can upload non-member contact lists on your own in the People Manager under Non-Member Options. Once we've loaded and checked your member and non-member data, we'll need to redirect your internet domain name if you already have one, so your website visitors will be directed to your new website. Back in our Help Center, find the article Switching Your Internet Domain. Follow the instructions and notify us once you're done so we can finish the process. Your website comes with 5 forwarding-only email accounts, and you can add additional accounts for a small annual fee. If you want to use specific email accounts you've already set up with your domain, we'll need a few more pieces of information from you. Email us at support@clubexpress.com to get started. When you signed up, you created a short name for your website, which became your URL. If you want to use your old URL instead of the short name, you'll need to purchase an SSL certificate. When you're ready, navigate to the Control Panel, Website tab. In the Setup section, choose Domain Names, Quick Links, Redirects. You'll see your domain name listed in Domain Names. Click the SSL icon to view your options and purchase a certificate. This is the final step before we activate your membership database and send out the welcome email. The domain switch takes about 24 hours. Remember, in order to process credit card payments on your new website, you'll need to set up your built-in merchant account. Before we jump in, let's make sure you have everything you need to get started. Before you apply, you'll need your Federal Tax ID number or FEIN, a copy of your IRS-issued tax documents, and either an SS4 or 147C form. Your legal name you provided during setup must match what appears on your tax document. Your organization's president or treasurer must set up the merchant account and remain the contact for the account, so you'll also need to identify either officer in your website contacts. Check out our tutorial, Managing Contacts, Titles, and Administrators, to learn how to add your president or treasurer to your website. Last, you'll need an active bank account to use the built-in merchant account. Refer back to our video, Setting Up Your Website, if you skip this step. When you're ready, navigate to the Control Panel Money tab. In the Setup section, select Money Options. Carefully enter your FEIN in the box provided, matching the number on your IRS documents. Scroll down and click Save to save your changes. Next, confirm your legal name exactly matches your tax documents in the Control Panel, Club tab, Name and Description. Scroll down to find your legal name, make any necessary changes, then click Save or Cancel if no changes are needed. Once you've confirmed your information is correct and added an officer and bank account to your website, navigate back to the Money tab, Money Options. Scroll down to find the merchant account application. Click the button to navigate to Stripe and finish your application. When your merchant account application is approved, we'll notify you and activate it on your website. When we activate your membership database, each member will receive a welcome email with a few tips about your new website and their login information. You can modify the welcome email by navigating to the Control Panel, Communications tab, System Emails. System emails are boilerplate emails which are sent when someone makes a donation, registers for an event, or signs up to volunteer. Scroll down to find the welcome email and click the Edit icon. Be sure not to remove tags including your URL or the member's username and password. Remember to look for the Help icon to learn more about editing and configuring system emails. So now you've learned how to prepare to go live and launch your website. Remember that your website should grow and change as you add new content and features over time. Sign up for free webinars to learn about your website's features, explore our video library, or read up on features in our online help system. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.